Hello beauties, in today's video we're going to be doing the Girlish Coquette makeup look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Welcome back beauties. So now as you guys see, I am already starting with my makeup. I am blending the concealer in with my sponge. As you guys know, that is the first technique that I do, is blend in with the concealer under my eyebrows. I already did my face primer as well. I just wanted to go straight into the makeup of achieving this girlish makeup look for you guys, and I hope you guys do enjoy it. So right now, I'm making sure that my eyebrows are perfect. That is mostly the main importance of doing makeup is your eyebrows. Your eyebrows have to be very consistent, natural, and I always have to give my props to my girl and give her homage is Aaliyah, because these eyebrows, these are paying homage to her. So I'm going to use my Malibu Sunrise Makeup eyeshadow palette. I used the dark color on the last row, and I'm just applying that color, and I used a little bit of the lighter color on the second row in the middle and blend those two colors together towards the outer corner of my eye. I'm sorry. So I am just blending for you guys. So I wanted to show you guys how did I achieve this look. So I'm just blending it out. It's like a soft cut crease. But I wanted to show you guys how I achieved it. It was very easy. And so now I'm going to use like the gold color, mixing gold and yellow. And I'm going to apply those two colors in the inner corner of my eye. So as you guys can see how natural it looks, I want to try something different. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer as well under my eye. We're going to make that lift. I applied two types of concealer, one darker, one light. And as you guys can see, I am blending out my concealer and it looks very natural. You see how I just blend in with my skin. I use Absolute New York Cool Cafe number 5, and I use my Nicka K06, and I blend those two colors together, and as you guys can see, it looks just like my skin tone. It looks very natural, but I just wanted to lift, my face a little bit to give you guys that natural look. So I'm just going back and forth blending so you guys can see it and making sure that concealer is looking good. And my makeup is looking flawless as always. So I'm making sure that is blended, the concealer on my forehead. So now I'm going to do is go on the opposite side of my eye and blend that concealer out. I'm going to show you guys step by step how I did on this side. And then I'm going to use the lighter concealer once again. And you guys see how I just blend it underneath my eye. And you can also use some setting spray, which I'm using F setting spray, which is the best. It's the Mist. And I'm using my gel eyeliner as my lip pencil. It goes on very smooth on my lips. And I'm going to use my red lipstick by Ruby Kisses. It is called Dangerous Orange, but it looks like it's a red. And I'm going to mix those two colors together, and I'm going to use my Diamond Glow lip gloss, Beauticious, I believe, and I put it right on top so it can look very natural. And now what I'm going to do is blend the concealer around my lip area. So I always love to blend the concealer around my lip area because I love to have my lips like the Bratz doll, and I just feel confident about it, and I really love it. So now I'm going to go in and go around my eye area and blend out my concealers because the look is the Girlish, was it Coquette, if I pronounce it right, makeup. So it's kind of like more of a girly, like a soft pink and blush, and the lips are perfect for this look. So I'm just showing you guys how I blend in my I'm sorry, my concealer, and I'm just going around making sure it's blended in everywhere, and I want it to look natural as possible, and I cannot stress that enough. And I'm going around my lip area, of course, and I'm making sure that it's blended around because once again, I want my lips to look really good. I want it to be in sync, and again, I want my lips to look like the Bratz doll. So it looks really good. I'm making sure I'm blending very carefully, and it looks really good. I am definitely in love. I love the results of my makeup, of course. So, I have to make sure my concealer is really good. And I'm going to use my Nicka K Bubblegum Clear Lip Gloss. So I want to have that extra gloss. I love shimmer too, but I love to have my lips glossy as well. So I like how everything has turned out. I really love it. And I love the colors. They're really pretty. And that's the color pink, darker pink. I'm going to apply that towards the bottom lid of my eyeline, which is my eyelids, that I'm applying this eyeshadow as an eyeliner. I've been doing that for a long time. So I did it on both sides. So now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara, which make your lashes look longer, and I love it. This is one of the best lash mascaras that I have ever used. So it looks very natural, and I look flawless. Good. And now I'm going to use my glitter eyeshadow palette. I used two of my gold colors, and I just really placed it in the middle of my eye because once again, I love shimmer. So I use like a reddish gold and a pink mixed together like a rose gold. And I mix those two colors together, and this is the end results of my makeup look, you guys. So this is how I achieved the Girlish Coquette makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more makeup looks and hacks, please subscribe and leave your comments down below of what you think of this makeup look. And I will see you guys later. Bye.